Let's kick things off with a quick comparison. Here's how the audio sounded before.
So as you can see, it was very noisy and the voice sound was low and not professional.
And here's how it sounds after using this tool.
So as you can see, it was very noisy and the voice sound was low and not professional.
Pretty impressive, right? And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it exactly, step by step. Stick around because you're not going to believe how easy this is. First, we need to isolate your audio from the video. This step makes the cleanup process smoother and faster. Open your video project in any video editor. For this example, I'm using Filmora, but you can use whatever you prefer. Find your video clip on the timeline, then right-click and select Detach Audio or Separate Audio. This will place your audio on its own track. Next, instead of exporting the whole video, just export the audio. Choose the MP3 format, give the file a clear name, and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Now comes the magic. We're going to use a powerful free tool called Adobe Podcast. Head over to your web browser and search for Adobe Podcast. Click on the official site and look for the tool called Enhance Speech. You'll see a simple upload interface. Drag and drop your MP3 file or click to upload it from your computer. Once you upload, Adobe's AI will go to work, automatically removing background noise, boosting clarity, and leveling your voice. Depending on the length of your file, it may take a minute or two. Just sit back and let the AI do the heavy lifting. And that's it! In just a few steps, you've turned your noisy recording into a polished, professional-quality voice track, completely free. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tools and smart tips to level up your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.